Hi there, my name is Yossy Pinhas and I'm the product manager for PCBflow. PCBflow is part of EMN, Electronic Manufacturing Network, and we are also proud to be part of the accelerator program Next 47. This is me 20 years ago. I was an engineer, part of Motorola, designing this product. Really excited, but also with those excitements, there were also some frustrations. And here's the reason why. When you complete your design, moving it to manufacturing wasn't an easy task. It starts with Laura, who makes the layout design for your product, and then once Raphael approves it, it moves to operations. Ricky here is working with her partners to get a quote to meet her quality level, lead time, and cost. Once the quote is approved, Frank is happily bringing the job with the design to Paul to approve it for the production line. What happens is that Paul finds out that there are so many violations within this design that it needs to go all the way back to the designer to fix it. So it moves all the way from Paul to Frank to Ricky, Raphael, and Laura. Laura works on her design, opens it, fix all the violations, and then moves it back to Raphael, who moves it all the way from Ricky, Frank, Paul. This spin, so called, takes 100 days. You have at least three interactions. So, in order to solve this waste of time, basically, PCB Flow is designed to allow Paul open an account and upload his constraint sets into a PCB Flow profile. Once it is being established, now Laura can run a full DFM analysis based on Paul's constraint sets. What it allows her to do is to actually validate that she meets Paul's requirements. When she has that report, she can now go through the violations and fix what is required to be fixed. What we hear customers are telling us that they can actually save 12 weeks and $20,000 per each design. With the manufacturer's Frank here is telling us I am able to increase my closing rate from 7% today, which is really a good year for him, up to 50%. Let me show you how it really works and why they are so excited. What you see here is my dashboard. These are my previous projects. And what I really want to do is now try a new design. This is where I upload my new design. Select your file, your ODB++ file. Give it a name. My new design. Save. Now I have the choice. I can run a default PCB default settings, or I can select my manufacturer. I want to work with Paul, and I know that Paul has established a profile, so I can actually run a true DFM analysis based on Paul's rules. Run DFM. In less than a minute, the analysis will be completed. What we're basically doing is running a virus check on every file that we get, making sure that the design files are not corrupted, and we have all the list of items that we need in order to perform accurate analysis. As you can see, the process takes less than a minute. Once it is completed, I am able to go and view the report. Once the report is on, I have an histogram showing me where are the majority of my violations, and I can also take a look at the board parameters just to confirm that this is the right one. I can just click on each layer and go one by one, or filter out the specific constraints and violations that I would like to actually focus on. In this case, I have 3 repeating violations of the same feature and the same category. Non-plated through-hole pad gasket under the solder mask top layer. If I'm not sure what exactly it means, I have the tooltip right there to tell me. I can also download a PDF version of this report. So as you can see, the process is really easy. It takes a minute or two to actually complete the whole journey to get to this report. Our vision is to build a network that will connect OEMs with their manufacturing partners to shorten the time it takes to deliver a product to the market. PCB fabricators are the first stage in this process, and assembly comes right after, together with the component vendors that are playing a critical part in building the product. PCB Flow is the first product under EMN, Electronic Manufacturing Network. It is required more than just the DFM analysis to deliver a product to the market. We in PCBflow are committed to address all the pain points and processes required from our customers to deliver a product in a fast, secured, and reliable way. I am so proud to work with such talented people on this vision. My name is Yossy Pinhas, and together with me is Alex Belelowski, who is in charge on the engineering, Igal Shmulevich, who is leading this program, and Nir Benson, who is in charge of business development. Thank you very much for listening. If you are interested of learning more about PCB Flow, log in to PCBflow.com, and you can also open an account by signing up right here.